To first PU online classes. Here continuation of the work. Here we will discuss today special cases. What are the special cases here? First one is no work. Here no work means if work done is zero. Work done is zero if here when work done is zero, work done is zero if force equal to zero. First condition. Force equal to zero means W is equal to what we know that here Fs cos theta. W is equal to Fs cos theta means W is equal to F force equal to 0 into S cos theta. Now here 0 multiplying with this all values we are getting as 0. This is your first condition in this. Next to second condition. Work done is 0 if displacement is 0. Displacement is 0 means what is there? S is 0. Force is 0 means F is 0. Now displacement is 0 means F. Here what do we know that here? F S cos theta, we know that formula. So F into 0 into cos theta equal to what we are getting here? 0. Second case. Now next third one. Here no work done. Another third case also I am discussing here. Third case, what will be there here? If here these two are first and second cases. Now third case I am discussing here. If force and displacement are perpendicular to each other. Force and displacement are perpendicular to each other means the angle between F and S is 90 degrees. Now theta is equal to 90 degrees means they are like this. This is F bar, this is S bar, the angle between these two is 90 degrees. This is we are taken here. Now theta is equal to 90 degrees. In this case the work done here F S cos 90. Cos 90 value is 0, so work done is equal to Fs into 0, we are getting work done is equal to 0. In these three cases, here no work. No work means work done is 0. Now what is here? First work done is 0 if force is 0, work done is 0 if displacement is 0. If force and displacement are perpendicular to each other, in this case also work done is 0. These all are the three conditions for work done is 0. Right, this is called as a zero work. Next here we will discuss a positive work. Second one. When work done is positive. Listen here. Here theta value is lies in between means our theta value is here what is here small here theta value is equal to the 0 degrees or smaller than the 90 degrees means 0 degrees less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 90 degrees. In this case here work done is positive means here theta not equal to here what is at 0 degrees when equal to not equal to 90 degrees. Here theta value not equal to 90 degrees. When equal to 90 degrees, what happens? Cos 90. Cos 90 means work done is 0. 0 work is happens. But that's the reason theta less than 90 degrees means it is smaller than the 90 degrees. Here equal to 0 degrees. Here what is there? Theta value equal to 0 degrees are larger than the 0 degrees, smaller than the 90 degrees, but not equal to 90 degrees. Here listen the condition clearly. Here in all these cases we check the cos theta value. Suppose cos 0 value I am checking. Cos 0 value is equal to 1. I am checking the cos 45. This is also lies in between 0 and 90. cos 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. Right, you check for cos 30 also, cos 60 also. Cos 45 1 by root 2, cos 60 value is equal to, we are getting as 1 by 2. Here all these values are what is here? Positive. Means when the theta value lies between 0 and 90 degrees, here work done is what is here? Positive. Why positive? Means cos theta value is positive. Here listen, cos theta value is positive. Cos theta value is positive means work done is equal to F cos theta. We know that formula. F is the magnitude of the force, S is the magnitude of force. These two values are always positive because magnitudes. Now cos theta value also I am taken as a positive. These three are positive means the total work done is positive. Right? Suppose the force I am taken as a 2 positive. Yes, positive 3. Cos theta value positive. Generally I am taken as a this any one value we can take 1. 2 3 is 6. We are getting the positive value. Right, that's the reason this is called as a positive work. When the work done is positive means the angle theta is lies like this. We have 0 degrees less than or equal to theta less than or 90 degrees. Theta less than 90 degrees only. 0 degrees less than or equal to theta but less than 90 degrees means it is smaller than the 90 degrees, not equal to 90 degrees but equal to 0 degrees. In this case the work done is positive. Why work done is positive means cos theta value is positive. So that's the reason the work done is positive. Now next we will discuss the negative work. Next we will discuss the third one. Negative work. What is the negative work? Listen here. Here the theta value lies in between 90, larger than the 90 but not equal to 90 but equal to 180 degrees or smaller than the 180 degrees. In this case we will see here. Suppose cos 180 we can see here. Cos 180. Cos 180 can be written as cos of 90 plus 90. Okay, cos 90 plus 90 we can write like this. Cos 90 plus 90 is equal to minus sin 90 because this is in the second coordinate. All silver teacups we know that. In the mathematics it will comes here. Here minus sin 90. Minus sin 90 means minus 1. Similarly you can find here cos 135 degrees. This cos 135 also lies in between 90 and 180. So cos 90 plus 45. Cos 90 plus 45 means what we are getting here? Sin minus sin 45 because all silver. The second coordinate cos value is negative. Here 90 is there, cos changes to sin. Here also 90 is there, cos changes to sin. And this is in the 90 plus means second coordinate. In the second coordinate only sin is positive, cos remaining tan is negative. So minus sin 90, here minus 1. Here minus sin 45 also we are getting minus 1 by root. Means when theta value lies in between 90 and 90 less than or equal to theta less than or equal to 180 degrees. When the theta value lies like this, in this all situations, cos theta value we are getting what is here? Negative. Right? In all these situations, cos theta value is equal to negative. When cos theta value is equal to negative, work done is equal to F as cos theta formula. F is always, this is the magnitude of the force means it is always positive value. For example, we have taken F value 2, S value is positive 3. Cos theta value we can take any one, minus 1 or minus 1 by 2. I am taking minus 1. Now we are getting minus 6 joules. Means here work done is negative. Means when the theta value is lies 90 and 180 like this, it is here what is the larger than the 90 degrees or equal to 180 degrees or smaller than the 190 degrees. In all these cases, cos theta value is negative, so work done also negative. So that's the reason this is called as a negative work. Right. Next we will discuss a maximum work and minimum work. Right. Another two cases when the here work is maximum, when the work is minimum. Now fourth one. If here F bar and S bar are perpendicular to each other. S bar and F bar and S bar are perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular means the angle between these two is, this is F bar, this is S bar. The angle between these two is theta is equal to how many degrees here? 90 degrees. In this case, work done. Work done is equal to Fs cos 90. Now work done is equal to Fs cos 90. Fs cos 90 means what is here? We are work done. I am writing as a Fs into cos 90 value. Here sin 91 cos 90 value 0 equal to 0. So work done is minimum. Right, cos 90 value is 0, work done is minimum. Similarly, when maximum work done? If F bar and S bar are, if F bar and S bar are parallel to each other. F bar and S bar are parallel to each other. Parallel to each other means this is a F bar, this is a S bar. Parallel to each other means theta is equal to how many degrees? 0 degrees. In this case, we have to write the work done. W is equal to Fs cos 0 degrees. Now cos 0 value is equal to, what is here 1? Here cos 90 value 0, cos 0 value 1 means Fs into 1 is equal to Fs. Here minimum value is there, this is called as what is here? Maximum. When the work done is maximum, here if F bar and S bar are parallel to each other, in this case the work done is maximum. When F bar and S bar are perpendicular to each other, here work done is what is here? Minimum. These are the some special cases here in the work done. Now depends upon the here work done, we are discussing the some special cases. Next we will discuss what is conservative force, what is here non-conservative force. First listen. Conservative force. Here what is the conservative force here? Here the work done by the force depends only on the path. It cannot depends on the path followed. It depends upon the only initial and final positions of the body. It can depends upon the what is here? Initial and final positions of the body. Work done by the force. Work done by the force not depends on path followed. It not depends on path followed. It depends only. It depends only initial and final positions of the body. It depends only initial and final positions of the body. Then that work done by the force. That force is called as a which force here? Conservative force. That force is called as a conservative force. That conservative force examples are called as a electrostatic force. This is coming in the second year, electrostatic force. Now another one is a gravitational force. This is a force between two charges, that is called as electrostatic force. The force between the two masses is called as a gravitational force. Third one is called as a spring force. These are called as a conservative force. In this case, the work done by the force depends only depends on the what is here. It is independent, not depends on the what is here path followed. It depends only on the initial and which position here, final position of the body. Then it is called as a which force here? Conservative force. Conservative force means it depends upon the work done by this force depends upon the only which position here, initial and final positions. It not depends on the path followed. That force is called as a which force here? Conservative force. What are the example here? Electrostatic force, gravitational force and spring force. Right. Now listen here. Suppose now in this case the work done by the force. Work done by the force stored in the form of potential energy. This is one point. What is the work done by the force? Which force here? Work done by the conservative force. I am writing here. This is the work done by which force here? Conservative force. Here work done by the conservative force stored in the form of which energy? Potential energy. This is the first point. Now second point, work done by conservative force is 0. Why it will be 0? We will discuss here. Right, first of all, once again see here, conservative force means the work done by the force. What is the force we are taken here for doing the work? That force not depends on the path followed. It cannot moving from, suppose if body is moving from initial position to final position, it follows some path. It cannot depends on the path followed. It depends only on the initial and final position of the body. That is called as a conservative force. Means suppose one body we are moving from here. What is here? This is our body. It is here. What is here? Lifted from ground to here some height like this. Means we are lifting in this direction. Now we are moving like this also. We are moving like this also in the different parts. Here the work done by the force not depends on the path followed. Suppose in this direction we work done is W1. In this direction work done is W2. In this direction work done is W3. Here this is not depends on the path followed. Means all the cases the work done is same. It depends only initial position. This is the initial position. This is what is here? Final position. It depends only initial position and final position only. It not depends upon the path followed. We are taking like this, body like this. We are taking like this, or we are taking like this. In different ways we are taking the body. From this body is taking from what is here ground to certain height. In the different directions we are taking here like this. We are taking like this, or we are taking like this, or we are taking like this. In any direction you can take. But this is what is the work done here. In this direction when taking the body, work done is W1. When taking in this direction, work done is W2. When taking in this direction, work done is W3. And consider here these all work done are not depends on the path followed. Not depends on the path followed means these work done are the same. It cannot depends on the path followed. This work done is always the same. That is the meaning of this one. Work done by the force not depends on the path followed. It depends only which positions are initial and final positions. Here the body initial and final position cannot be changes. It is moving in this direction also coming to this position. In this direction also coming to this position. We are moving like this also coming to in this position. In this all the cases work done are we are W1 and W2 and W3 we are considered. These work done are not depends on the what is here path followed. It depends only initial and final positions. Now here work is done by the what is here which force here? Gravitational force. Opposite to the gravitational force here the body is taking in the upward direction. Here what is here? The gravitational force always acting towards the earth. That's the reason we are opposite to here work done by the which force here? Gravitational force. Opposite to the gravitational force we are taking the body in this direction. In all the cases, the work done is same because it is not depends on the path followed. We can follow any path, the work done is value is the same. That is not changes. That's the reason W1 is equal to W2 is equal to W3. We are writing here. Right. Now here next we are discussing here work done by conservative force is 0. Now I am discussing with example here also. Here work done by the conservative force is 0. What is the meaning of this one? Now suppose this is a block of mass is there on the ground. Work done by the total work done by the total work done means it is going from initial to final and final to initial. So that's the reason we are saying that total work done by conservative force is 0 when coming to initial position. Now here this body I am moving like this through a certain height. It is coming to this height here, h. Coming to h height, here work done and body moving in this direction. I am moving in this direction. Displacement in this direction, but gravitational force here, what is here, F equal to mg is acting in the downward direction. Here displacement in this direction, force is in this direction, means both are in the opposite direction. Angle between these two is theta is equal to how many degrees here? 180 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degrees means because here force is a downward direction, this is a gravitational force, this is a displacement. Here I have nothing but a displacement, both are in the opposite direction. Here in this case work done I am taken as a W1 when moving from initial to final. Initial to final. The work done I am writing as a mg into h. Cos how many degrees here? 180 degrees. Now here work done is equal to I am getting as a mgh into -1. I am getting as a minus mgs when moving in the upward direction. Suppose this is a moving in the upward direction, we are getting this value. Here are moving in the downward direction. What is the work done? Here it is going from initial to final and coming from final to initial. When coming from final to initial, it is going from initial to final. Suppose the body is coming here final to again initial position. Here the body is coming final to again which position here? Initial position. Here this is again coming from, this is a final to initial position. Final to initial position. Here also it moves, the distance is h. Now it moves, the distance is h. Here also gravitational force is acting in this direction. Gravitational force is acting in this direction. Body also moving in the same direction. Means here this is called as a displacement. This is called as a force. Force and displacement both are in the same direction. It is the body is coming in this direction, force also in the same direction, because gravitational force is acting towards the center of the earth. So here both are in the same direction means that theta is equal to how many degrees here? 0 degrees. Now here work done is equal to W2 I am consider when coming from final to initial. Now what is here? Work done can be written as what is here? mgh cos 180. Why writing the mgh cos 180 here? I am explaining here. Work done is equal to force into Fs cos theta. Fs cos theta means W is equal to force is equal to mg. Force is equal to mg. Here F equal to mg. Displacement S is equal to h. Here cos how many degrees here? 0 degrees. Here this is the angle between F and S is equal to 0 degrees. Both are in the same direction. Now here work done is I am considered as a W2. W2 is equal to mgh into 1. What we are getting here, this is mgh. Right? Here also I am writing the W1, I am writing the using same formula. W1 is equal to F S cos theta I am using here. F is equal to mg, S is equal to h, cos theta is equal to cos 180, because here this is a force is acting in the downward direction, body is displacing in this direction. Here force and displacement both are in the opposite direction. So theta is equal to 180 degrees. W1 is equal to force formula Fs cos theta. W1 is equal to force is equal to mg. Here displacement S is equal to h. Now angle theta is equal to 180 because force and displacement both are in the opposite direction. Here work done is minus mgh. Here work done is plus mgh. Means the total work done now I want to find here. Total work done by the gravitational force, that is called as a conservative force. Total work done by the conservative force W is equal to W1 plus W2. Here W1 is equal to what we know that here minus mgh. W2 is equal to mgh. mgh cancel. The work done, total work done is equal to 0. That's the reason the total work done by conservative force is 0. When body again coming to which position here? Initial position. Now this is the total information about the conservative force. Once again we will discuss here what is the conservative force means. The work done by the force, it does not depends on the path followed when it is moving from initial to final. Now it depends only on what is your initial position and final position. That here force is called as a conservative force. Gravitational force, electrostatic force, spring forces are example for the conservative forces. Next here the work done by the conservative force stored in the form of which energy? Potential energy. Work done by the what is the conservative force is there. That force always stored in the form of the potential energy. The work done by the electrostatic force stored in the form of the potential energy. Work done by the gravitational force stored in the form of the potential energy. Work done by the spring force stored in the form of the potential energy. Because of these all are the which forces here? Conservative forces. Now this is the total work done by the conservative force is 0. Why total work done by the conservative force is 0? Here total work done by the conservative force is 0. I am explaining with one example here. When moving from initial to final, here force is acting in the downward direction, displacement in the upward direction, angle theta is equal to 180. Work done we are finding using Fs cos theta formula. Here work done is we are getting the minus mgs because cos 180 value is minus 1. Here cos 180 value is minus 1. How coming the 180 value is minus 1 means cos 180 is equal to cos 90 plus 90. Cos 90 plus 90 is equal to 90 plus 90 is equal to what is here? Minus sin 90. Minus sin 90 value is equal to minus 1. That's the reason this is the minus 1. Here minus mgs. Here when the body is coming from final to initial, it is displacing in this direction. It is moving in this direction. Here displacement H we are taken here. That's displacement direction. Gravitational force always acting towards the center of the earth. That is a mg. This is we are taken as a here F equal to mg. That force here force is acting due to gravity. Here what is their acceleration due to gravity. That is also what is here. Here this is also acting in the downward direction. So that is also F is equal to mg we are taken. This is also acting in the downward direction. So W is equal to Fs cos theta. Here F is equal to mg. S is equal to h cos 0 degrees. Here work done is equal to we are getting the mgh. Here total work done is equal to we are getting the 0. Right. Here what is here? This is a in the here this is the total work done by the which force here? Conservative force. That is we know that here that conservative force is 0. That's the reason we are getting here when the body is moving upward direction and coming the downward direction means it is moving from initial to final or final to initial. In this case the work done by the conservative force is 0. Right. Now next we will discuss the non-conservative force. What is mean by the non-conservative force? We will discuss a non-conservative force. What is mean by the non-conservative force? Now here non-conservative force we are discussing here. Now this is a non-conservative force means it depends on the path followed. It depends on the path followed. The work done by the force depends on the path followed, and here this is what is here work done by the force. Total I am writing the definition here. Work done by the force depends on the path followed and independent on initial and final position of the body. Here initial and final position of the body. Initial and final position of the body, that is called as a non-conservative force. Here the work done by this force is called as a non-conservative force. It depends on only path followed. It is independent on initial and final position of the body. That is called as a non-conservative force. What are the examples for the non-conservative force? Here first one is called as a frictional force. Next one is called as a here viscous force. frictional force, and another one is called as a viscous force, or another one is a air resistance force. Air resistance force. These are three examples for the what is here non-conservative force. These are the three examples for the what is here non-conservative force. Here in this case, the work done is work done by non-conservative force. Work done by non-conservative force is not stored in the form of potential energy, but work done by conservative force is stored in the form of potential energy, but the work done by non-conservative force is not stored in the form of potential, not stored in the form of the potential energy. Suppose, listen here, suppose one body I have taken, one body, and this body I am applying the force. Now the body is moving from initial position to final position. Now it is moving from initial position to final position. Now I am applying the what is the force. The body is moving from initial position to final position. When moving from initial position to final position in these three ways. Now it is moving from initial to final in the three parts and moving like this. Now in this case, work done is a W1, here work done is a W2, work done is a W3. Here the body is moving in this direction, means here work done, here work is done opposite to the friction. Why friction? Means when the body is moving on this surface, here opposite to the motion of the body, one force is acting, that is called as a frictional force. Right, when moving like this. Here it is moving in the three parts. This is the first part, this is the second part, now this is the third part. It can moving in the three parts. Here here work is done by the frictional force. Opposite to the motion of the body, here frictional force is acting. Here the work is done by the frictional force. Means that is work is done by the frictional force, means that frictional force is example for non-conservative force. This is the work done is a W1, here work done is a W2, here work done is a W3. Opposite to the frictional force, we have to do the work. Then only the body is moving from initial position to final position. In this case, the work done is not equal. Why work done is not equal? Because of work done by the forces. Here what is here? Work done by the forces depends on the what is here path followed. It cannot depends upon the path followed. Here path is not same. Here path is different. Here path is different. Here path is different. That's the reason work done also different, because it is depends upon the path followed. So here W1 is not equal to W2 is not equal to W3. In the previous case, in the conservative force, here it is independent on the path followed. Independent on the path followed means all the work done is what is here same. But in the work done by the non-conservative force, it is what is here work done by the non-conservative force is not depends on the what is here path followed. It depends on the path followed. Work done by the non-conservative forces depends on the path followed. That's the reason here work done is different. There in the conservative force it is independent on the path followed. That's the reason work done is same. Means work done value here changes, here changes, here changes. Because of paths changes means work done is changes. So work done is not equal. W1 is not equal to W2 not equal to W3. Next point we are discussing here. Here third point I am discussing total work done by non-conservative force. Non-conservative force is not zero, but total work done by conservative force is zero. But total work done by non-conservative force is not zero. Why not zero? Listen here. Clearly listen. I am explaining the example here. This is a friction. This surface is having the friction. On this friction, here surface I am placing the body. here the body is moving initial position to final position. This is the initial final. It is moving from initial to final. When moving from initial to final, the work done I am taken as the W1. It moves the distance is equal to it moves the distance I am taken as a S. Now here it is moving in this direction. It is moving in this direction. Now this is moving in this direction means frictional force is always acting opposite to the direction of the motion of the body. It is moving from initial to final. It is moves the certain distance is S or certain displacement is S. It is moving in this direction. Means here listen here displacement in this direction, frictional force is opposite direction. Right? Here it is moving from initial to final. Here frictional force is always acting opposite to the motion of the body. Now this is in this case the work done by the frictional force, that can be written as friction is a force Fs, both are in the opposite direction. Opposite direction means theta is equal to 180 degrees. Fs cos 180 degrees. Now here W1 is equal to Fs into cos 180 minus 1. Here W1 is equal to minus Fs we are getting. Right? Clear. Now next suppose the body is moving from, again it is moving in the reverse direction. The body is moving in the reverse direction here. Here it is coming from final to initial, like this. Final to initial means a displacement in this direction. Here it is coming in this direction means frictional force is acting in the opposite direction. Frictional force is always acting opposite to the motion of the body. Here the body is moving in this direction means friction opposite direction. Body is displacing like this. This is the displacement of the body. Yes. Here S and F are opposite direction. Suppose the body is moving from initial to final. Here body is moving from final to initial. Final to initial means a displacement in this direction, but frictional force is in this direction. Because the body's motion in this direction means opposite to the motion of the body, always friction is acting. So here also displacement in this direction, frictional force is in this direction. So here work done can be written as I am taken as a W2. Here F cos. Here also angle opposite means theta is equal to 180 degrees. F cos 180 degrees. Friction is a force. Now S is a displacement. Now W2 is equal to Fs cos 180 value is equal to minus 1. Now here work done is equal to minus Fs. Now when moving from initial to final, work done is minus Fs. When moving from final to initial, work done is minus Fs. Now here we find the total work done. Here I am writing here total work done. Total work done W1. Here W1 plus W2 means total work done W is equal to W1 plus W2 is equal to what we are getting here minus Fs is equal to minus 2Fs. Means here work done by the frictional force is negative, but it is not equal to 0. That's the reason we are saying that total work done by non-conservative force is not 0. Non-conservative force is which force I am taken here? Frictional force. Frictional force is always acting opposite to the motion of the body. Here work is done by the frictional force. Now in this case minus Fs. Here case minus Fs. Total work done is equal to we are getting the negative. That's the reason we are saying that work done by the non-conservative force is not 0. Right. Once again we will make this one conservative and non-conservative. Conservative force means the work done by the force here not depends on the path followed, it depends on only initial and final position. That is called as a conservative force. What are the example for conservative force means gravitational force, electrostatic force. These electrostatic force, spring force, all are example for the here what is here conservative force. In the conservative force, the work done by the force is stored in the form of potential energy. It is stored in the form of which energy here? Potential energy, because here work is done by the conservative force. In this conservative force, the total here what is here work done. Suppose it can follow the 3 or more 2 or 3 paths when it is moving from initial to final. Here work done is not depends on the path followed. Work done is not depends upon the path followed means all the work done are equal. Here it depends on initial and final position. That is the reason work done are equal. Right. Next, work done by the total work done by the conservative force is 0. Already we proved that one. Here total work done by the conservative force is 0. Next, another one is non-conservative force. Non-conservative force means it depends on the path followed. It depends on the initial and final position. Here that is called as a, that force is called as a non-conservative force. Non-conservative force examples are frictional force, viscous force, air resistance, force acting due to air resistance. These are the examples. Now here the work done by the force is not stored in the form of the potential energy. Means it is depends upon the path followed. It is depends upon the path followed means when the body is moving from initial position to final position, it is following the different paths. When following the different paths means in this case the work done are not equal, because it depends upon the what is here path followed. When depends upon the path followed means work done are not equal. Important point here. This is also. Next, here last one is what is here total work done by the conservative non-conservative force is not 0. Why not 0 means we already proved this one. Here that is a work done by the frictional force. We are getting the which value here negative value. That's the reason we are saying that work done by the non-conservative force is not 0. This is total information about the conservative force and non-conservative force. Thank you.